Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I'll be doing a graphic mask makeup design look. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, but nevertheless, I was still in love with the end product that I got, and it was still amazing, right? So if you guys want to see that amazing look, that amazing graphic design, just continue watching. So now we're going in with shadows. We're going in with pink, and you know, we have to blend out that arch line that you guys see right there. And right now I'm just blending that out, and we're popping the purple right on the end, and we're doing the same thing, patting the color on and then blending out so that we don't have a harsh line, right guys? It's that time. It's time to cut the crease. So we're cutting that crease, right? So we're going to put a nice light brown over that cut crease. We're not doing any color on the lid, so we're just placing that, cutting the crease and placing that light brown, as you guys see I'm doing right now. It's very light. We're just patting that in on both eyes, and we're just doing a very simple wing. You know, I'm not 100 on the wing, but your girl is learning and it is getting better, thank the Lord. So we're just doing just so. Look at that wing. Comment down below how I did on this wing, guys. Do you guys love it? Close up. Nice, right? So now we're starting the design, right? It was a bit of a struggle in the beginning, but we made it. We made it happen, right? So we're just going in, taking our time, drawing the design that we're working with today. I was getting a little bit frustrated here, guys. The design, it wasn't pulling together at that point, but I made it happen. So I'm just doing my regular foundation routine right now, guys.
Oh no, oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs, let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
Tell
them I'm the realest. Then they feel me, killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane.
So I was going in with the black eyeliner and I'm just brightening up the design some more, guys.
It's the original Batman.
Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will tell me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated, like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire.
So I'm just contouring the outside of the design, you know, to get that extra pop. And you guys know once you contour, you have to highlight. So I will be highlighting the inside of the design with the same light brown shadow that I use right on my lid.
Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let's
It's
go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane.
How beautiful. If you guys made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, just please subscribe, right? And join the fam. Bye guys.
I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do